Let me tell you about a framework that just makes it so much easier for you to prompt AI, whether it's just regular chatting or building an agent or whatever, using the CRISP framework. So you got context, role, instruction, structure, and parameters. Much easier to remember than a different acronym. I'm going to go through all this stuff, but before I do, let's talk about the actual problem. Here's the difference between a weak prompt, like write about project management, and it has no direction, no audience, no specific format specified. It's just going to guess as to what you want, as opposed to a strong prompt saying you are a project management professional. You're making a 200-word explainer. You're doing it for new team members. You're doing it for agile project management. You're using plain English and you're ending up with 3 bullet key takeaways. So that's much specific, defined context, role, instruction, format, parameters. Let's talk about exactly how to make this happen. What is the CRISP framework exactly, piece by piece? So first, context. You're providing it the background. What is the situation? Do you have any source material? Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, something you can provide it, or you can give it the context in words. Second, how do you want AI to take the role? What is the role? Is it going to be a financial analyst? Is it going to be a project manager? Is it going to be a lawyer? What do you want the expertise and the voice to be? Third is instruction. What is the actual specific task that you want it to do? Do you want it to draft, summarize, analyze, rewrite something? Okay. Then you got the structure. What is the end output? Do you want it in a table format, in a graph, in a report summary, bullet points? How do you want the structure to be at the end? And then last but definitely not least is parameters. What do you want the length of the whole thing to be? What do you want to avoid? And obviously you don't want it to hallucinate, so you want to tell it that if you're not sure, just leave things blank and tell me that these things you were not sure about. So you're constraining it so it's not hallucinating. So that is the CRISP framework. And here it is in action for an actual prompt. You got the context. I'm a marketing manager at a B2B software company. Using the attached customer survey results, we're assuming here that you're providing it some results, either in text copy or an attachment. Then you're telling it your role is a data analyst. The instruction, you want it to summarize the top 3 themes here. The structure here is going to be put it in a short bulleted list. You don't want a paragraph. In this case, you just want bullets. And then parameters here, keep it on under 150 words. And you're telling it, don't hallucinate. If you're not sure about something, don't guess. Just leave it blank and let me know. Here's what it looks like, the actual prompt at the end. I'm a marketing manager, B2B software company. Using the attached customer survey, act as a data analyst, summarize the top 3 themes, put it in a short bulleted list, keep it under 150 words, and leave anything you're unsure about blank rather than guessing, and don't hallucinate. So that prompt, which is just 6 lines over here, you're putting that in an actual chat or an agent that you're creating or whatever, and it's got all of the parameters, all of the things that you want it to have to give you the best result possible. So here's the CRISP framework. You got context, role, instruction, structure, and parameters, making it super simple to remember. Hope this helps.